Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we're making a Mother's Day card in celebration of Mother's Day with this stamp set from Simon Says Stamp, Best Mom Ever. I'm going to be stamping with some Memento Tuxedo black ink. I am using this stamp positioner. It's no longer available, but there are definitely a lot out on the market that you can certainly purchase. I do kind of like using stamp positioners sometimes because, especially with new stamps, you might have to stamp off a couple times before you get a clean, crisp image. And so now I'm just coming in and coloring. So it's kind of weird looking. I'm kind of laying the foundation of what I'm trying to do, and it'll all come together, and you'll see at the very end. Also, off camera, I actually stamped off, I think, 4 or 5 of the large roses, as well as um, 4 or 5 of the small roses, and then fussy cutting them out. I decided I wanted to go ahead and also fill in a little bit more greenery. And off camera, I went ahead and stamped the Happy Mother's Day and forgot to position it. So here comes those roses I mentioned that I fussy cut. I used a Recollections um, foam squares to attach it. So that's like the regular size. And then for um, the smaller roses, I used, I think, no, I think I used the larger one too. It was only like one size. And then after I pulled all the backing off the adhesive, I decided I need a little more greenery, so I stamped and cut off some leaves. So that's also from the stamp set. Everything's from the stamp set. And I decided to, position them before I decided to adhere them. And then for this green leaf, I went ahead and moved it over to where there seems like there was a little bit more white space. This one, I was just pulling it back because I realized I didn't pull off the adhesive, and then just shoving it back in there as well. And then I'm actually going to come in with, oh, I forgot. So I was looking at the Happy Mother's Day and I realized I stamped it crooked. So I decided to grab the heart from the stamp set as well and color it in. And now I'm coming in with the base of the card, and that's just some 3M foam tape. And now I'm just adding the front of the card to the base of the card. Then I'm going to add a little bit more detail. And as you saw, that heart that I stamped, I actually decided to color a little bit darker with the same colors. I'm coming in with some glossy accents and just making that puff up a little bit so it doesn't look so flat. Then I'm coming in with some Wink and Stella, putting it all over the roses. Um, I think I might be at the end of my Wink and Stella because all of a sudden when I was squeezing it out, it was a whole bunch. Then off camera, I apologize. I didn't realize I didn't turn on the camera. I went ahead and added some dewdrops on there with the glossy accent. And that about finishes the card. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.